Thanks for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to do a simple how-to guide. So if you use Microsoft Outlook, and I'm talking about locally on your computer, then we're going to talk through and show you how to create a signature, the thing that appears at the bottom of the email, so you don't have to keep typing it out each time to every email that you send, whether it's to a new email or to a reply. And you can have a signature for new emails and a different signature for replies, but generally we find that having just one type of signature for every type of email seems to be more manageable across our customers. So stay tuned for part 2, and we will guide you through how to create a signature in Outlook.
Welcome to part 2 of this video. We're going to talk about creating a signature in Outlook. Now, the best way we find creating a signature is doing it in a new email, so that you got the formatting all correct and you've got access to the entire menus at the top. And then by doing it this way, it means you can copy the signature and put it in the signature template. So we recently created one saying thanks Bowdeep, and then we did this in the online version in a previous video. For this one, we're going to do it in Outlook, Microsoft Outlook on the computer. So any email account that you've linked in Microsoft Outlook, regardless of if it's Office 365, Outlook.com, Gmail.com, Yahoo, etc., etc. If you've got it linked here, you can then utilize this. So for more information, please visit our website. And then, like in the other video, I'm just going to put an Outlook logo. And here, what I'm going to do, so we've highlighted that. I'm going to create a link. HTTP. I can't type today. Outlook.live.com. So that points to a website, as you can see there. And I'm going to just do the same with this logo, because as a company you would normally link a logo to your website. So doing it here looks perfect. Now here we can mess around with formats, so I could take away the full stop there. I could underline everything, not underline anything. Some people like links in a different color but no underline. Some don't. I'm going to leave the underline there. Some might want the formatting with the text to go here, for example. So I've changed it from size 10 to size 9. And some like the thank you message to be a little bit bigger, or in a different font, or into a different font. So let's just put Calibri, and then put 14. So I'm going to now copy and paste that. So you can right click copy, you can Control C and copy, go into, and then from here go signatures, and then say this signature I want to be using a brand new one called test, and paste it in. Then here, as I mentioned, you got fewer options with the formatting. You've got size, you've got underline, you've got colors to mess around with here, but I just find it easier to mess around with the text in a brand new email. So we'll put the test email signature, and from there, if I start a new email, it would automatically throw that in, and it's added a gap. So you can type in, hi John, great catching up, see you next week Friday. And then somebody's email address. So this is now going to keep adding the signature in. Now, the next question somebody might ask is, okay, I've created the signature, but I don't really want to call it a test. Can I change the name? Yes, just give it a new name. So, Outlook signature. So that's that one. And now it's called Outlook signature. So if I go to the other account, Outlook signature, click OK. And if I click now new email, change it to the other account, Outlook signature has come up. And that's as simple as it is creating a signature in Microsoft Outlook, but also if you need to tweak it later on. So the tip of the day is create it in the email, format it how you want it formatted, copy the text, either press Ctrl+C or right click copy, go into signatures, edit your signature, and either Ctrl+V to paste, or you can use these buttons here to paste as well. So just so you know, these options, keep source formatting, varies from these other options. So usually it's the first one. If you get any doubts, just press Ctrl+V on your Control key and V. If you're on a Mac, then it's the Command key, which is the Apple logo, and V. And there you go. That's how to create a signature in Microsoft Outlook. So if you have any questions, please drop us a message below. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found that useful, please click the like button below. If you found it unhelpful, click the dislike button below so we can get some feedback. And if you've got any future videos that you would like creating, please drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.